The tuned Jeep Gladiator featured in this article embraces rugged aesthetics reminiscent of military-grade vehicles like the Humvee, blending functionality with distinctive styling to create a unique presence on and off the road. Customized to evoke a sense of adventure and robust capability, this modified Gladiator pays homage to its utilitarian roots while offering enhanced performance and visual appeal. Originally introduced as a versatile pickup truck capable of tackling diverse terrain, the Jeep Gladiator has garnered a loyal following among off-road enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Known for its iconic Jeep design cues and legendary four-wheel drive capabilities, the Gladiator combines rugged durability with modern amenities for a premium driving experience. In its tuned form, the Jeep Gladiator undergoes significant modifications to elevate its off-road prowess and aesthetic appeal. From aggressive body kits and custom bumpers to oversized wheels and off-road tires, every aspect of the Gladiator's exterior is tailored to enhance its capability and command attention on any terrain. Visually, the tuned Gladiator exudes a commanding presence with its rugged appearance and distinctive design elements. Matte paint finishes, protective skid plates, and auxiliary lighting fixtures contribute to its military-inspired vibe, creating a robust and purposeful look that evokes memories of military vehicles like the Humvee. Performance enhancements further distinguish the tuned Jeep Gladiator from its stock counterpart, with upgraded suspension systems and performance tuning optimizing its handling and off-road capabilities. Enhanced ground clearance and reinforced chassis components ensure that the Gladiator can conquer challenging landscapes with confidence and ease. Inside the cabin, the tuned Jeep Gladiator offers a blend of comfort and functionality, with custom upholstery options and advanced technology features enhancing the driving experience. Ergonomic seating, premium audio systems, and connectivity options cater to modern lifestyles, making the Gladiator a versatile choice for both daily commuting and off-road adventures. Beyond its practical enhancements, the tuned Jeep Gladiator embodies a spirit of individuality and adventure. Each customization decision reflects the owner's personality and preferences, resulting in a personalized vehicle that stands out in a crowd of mass-produced trucks. The craftsmanship and attention to detail evident in the tuned Jeep Gladiator underscore the enduring appeal of custom vehicles as expressions of personal style and capability. From its rugged exterior modifications to its enhanced performance features, every aspect of the Gladiator reflects a dedication to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in vehicle customization. As enthusiasts and collectors admire the tuned Jeep Gladiator, discussions within the automotive community focus on its distinctive design and off-road capabilities. Whether compared to military vehicles like the Humvee or appreciated for its unique blend of style and functionality, the Gladiator continues to inspire admiration and spark conversations among off-road enthusiasts and custom truck builders alike. In conclusion, the tuned Jeep Gladiator celebrates rugged individualism and adventure with its distinctive design and enhanced capabilities. Embracing Humvee vibes with its customized features and military-inspired aesthetics, the Gladiator offers a compelling blend of style, performance, and off-road prowess that appeals to those who seek both form and function in their vehicles.